Hi guys, this is Mike from Kiso. We have customers, they have doubt about our communication marking. Now we are going to demonstrate how to use RS232 for communication and remote marking. Okay. This system is integrated with computer, so there's no need to use another computer. Go to Advanced Laser Application, TCP control mark, and open this serious port function, and OK. And add a new file and save it. You can save it as any name you need. In our case, we have already saved this file, so we will continue use this file. The name is RS232.ORZR, and we have already inputted two elements into the document. The first one we name it as ID. The second one we name it as SN. Here we can rename it to others, but for convenience we will change it back, set it to SN. So now we have a file RS232 and we have two elements. One name is ID, another name is SN. Okay, now we go to RS232 communication. We just open it. Set those parameters same as in the control card and open it. And we just need 4 commands to start the working. The first one is this command. We copy and paste. Then we can get a ID number. This ID number is the laser marking system ID number. We will use it later. Okay. The second command is get the element name from the laser system. Copy this one, and here change this part to the file name we have just saved, RS232.ORZR. Okay, send. And we got a SM here, and got a ID here, 2 elements. This is elements. And the third command is change the content of the elements. Copy this command. In this command, we need to change the file name here as the one you are using, and SM is the element number, and the content to any content you like. For example, I will change the content to 8888. And now you can see in the computer screen it is 2345. And I will send the command. It will change the content. Okay. And the final command is marking. Start marking. Just copy this command to start marking. We need to change 2 things. One is ID, marking system ID we have just got in the first command. And this, the file name we are going to mark, this one. And this is the marking time, 1 time. We will just marking 1 time. Okay, now we send, and we see here. We send the command now. Okay. If we want repeat mark, we can just send the command again. It will mark again. And if we want to change the content, we just go back to the third command and change the content of the elements. Okay, that's all.